Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'll show you the method I use to draw an anime face in a 3/4 view. I start by drawing a circle. It doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical. Then I draw a vertical guideline based on the direction of the face. I try to imagine the circle as a 3D object, so I can accurately place the eyes. Personally, I prefer to start with the eyes, because they make it much easier for me to build the rest of the face. To draw the mouth, I place it slightly away from the outer contour of the face. Then I draw the tubercle area first, because it gives the lips a more three-dimensional appearance. After that, I complete the rest of the mouth with simple lines. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a comment or share your feedback. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more drawing content. I'm still new to creating drawing content, so your support means a lot to me. Now, enjoy the inking process, and I'll let the music take over.